Most people wait until they feel ready before they act. They plan endlessly, analyze every detail, and hesitate until the moment passes. But readiness doesn't come first. It comes after action. The fastest way to get better at anything is to take massive action. Why? Because every action creates a feedback loop, and those loops are the secret to mastery, growth, and confidence. Massive action means moving before you feel ready. You set a simple goal, start now, and let learning happen while you're in motion, not while you're planning. It favors quick, repeated attempts over perfect plans. Make many small bets, ship versions, gather real reactions, then iterate immediately. Momentum compounds faster than hesitation every day. Massive action isn't about recklessness. It's about volume and consistency. It means committing to doing the task over and over at scale, without waiting for perfect conditions. Instead of writing one blog post, you write 50. Instead of practicing negotiation once a month, you practice every day. The repetition itself becomes your teacher. Massive action is the bridge between theory and mastery. Every time you act, you get feedback. Success, failure, or subtle nuance, it all teaches you something. Think of it as a cycle. Do the task, observe the result, adjust your approach, repeat. Each loop sharpens your skill, builds resilience, and accelerates progress. The more loops you run, the faster you grow. You can read about swimming, but until you jump in the water, you'll never learn. The same is true for almost any skill. Knowledge gives you a map, but action is the journey. When you take that first step, you immediately feel the resistance, the rhythm, the reality. That's feedback. And every time you repeat the action, you refine your technique. Improvement doesn't only come from thinking harder. Action creates real data. Theory is useful, but without practice, it's just potential energy. Massive action turns potential into progress. It's the difference between knowing and becoming. A writer who publishes daily learns more in 6 months than someone who waits for inspiration once a year. An athlete who trains consistently builds muscle memory and resilience faster than someone who trains sporadically. Entrepreneurs who launch multiple small projects learn the market faster than those who spend years perfecting one idea. In each case, the feedback loop accelerates growth. The more loops you run, the faster you improve. Here's how you can use this strategy in your own life. Set a clear target. Decide what skill or task you want to improve. Commit to volume. Do it often, daily if possible. Track feedback. Write down what worked and what didn't. Adjust quickly. Don't wait months to change. Tweak after every attempt. Repeat relentlessly. Hundreds of loops will transform your ability. Massive action is the antidote to hesitation. It's not about being perfect, it's about being prolific. Every action creates a feedback loop, and every loop makes you better. So stop waiting to feel ready. Start doing. Start looping. And watch how fast you grow. Because mastery doesn't come from thinking about the task. It comes from doing the task more often,